Oh man. Watch out with the loader. I got a little busy up in here. Rip right through it. Slalom, everybody. No, that's when shit goes wrong when you start speeding up. Beep beep. Up the hill. That's what I want. Some old beater. Just to let the exhaust rip. Imagine how loud this would be if I was ripping it. Uh-oh. Racing. This is bouncy. Scrambler, not even a Wrangler. Oh, oh, oh. Got dirt in my eye. We're going round and round. You flatten this area out. You get that, right?